Hi everybody, it's Dagonhills, and tonight I have a super special Zippo I want to show you. So let's get to it. It's called a web debut lighter from Zippo. It means they only sell them on the Zippo website. It says available now. I don't know if later at some point they sell them elsewhere. I usually try to get them elsewhere because they're a little cheaper, but this one's only available on the website. So it has a special box. Let's open it up. You can see Zippo, and it has that Z. It's a really beautiful box. It's black and has the orange. And the name kind of gives it away, but it's weird because it's called one thing, but it says occult design. So you think like, what the heck? Well, let me show you what we have. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we have. I actually haven't opened it. Thought I'd do it on cam. Well, they always come with these little guarantee. All Zippos have a lifelong guarantee. Anything goes wrong, they'll fix it. I've even had somebody gave me an old one, and I sent it in and they fixed it. Okay, well, here we go. This is the Zippo Book of the Dead lighter. It's based off Lovecraft's writings. It they say it plays off that Cthulhu lighter. They call it monster design. But as you can see, the Necronomicon. There's Cthulhu. It's a cool little box because they have those mirrors so you can see along the sides. Well, this lighter is done in antique brass, and it has, like they say right there, it's an armor lighter, which means it's a little thicker than a normal Zippo. And it's 360-degree multi-cut engraving all over it. But if you can see the symbol in the middle, that's not really a Lovecraft symbol. That was designed to be on a book when they put out a book called Simon Necronomicon, and they put that on the cover. I'll show you a picture right here. Okay, so Lovecraft had drawn a symbol for like an elder sign symbol, and I'll show you that. It's a lot different. And then next, this is August Derleth, who published Lovecraft's stories in hardcover from Arkham House. He ran that. He wrote a story, The Lurker on the Threshold, and he kind of redesigned the elder sign, and I'll show you a picture. It's like a kind of a crazy star, but in the middle it has the Lovecraft elder sign. So I'll show you that right now. Okay, before we start looking at this a little better, I want to show you a couple more symbols. The first one has the same design in the center, and they call it this symbol the Necronomicon Gate, or the Gate of Yog Sothoth, but I'll show you that one here. And then this next one, I like it a little better. I kind of wish they had gone with this. It's that star from August Derleth. Then in the middle it has that Lovecraft elder sign. Let's take a look at this up close, or a bit closer. Well, here it is up close. You can see the same. You see Cthulhu there. And they have little designs all around it. Cthulhu at the bottom. That's the edge. Like I said, it's an armor lighter. It's a nice, beautiful finish on it. But it's kind of heavier than a normal one. I'm kind of surprised they didn't put the Lovecraft symbol on there. I'm trying to see. But there you go, Zippo. They're made in Bradford, Pennsylvania. Then it has the little armor insignia. I'll turn it. I have to take the sticker off the back. Okay, well, here's the back. It's really detailed. It's all engraved. There's a couple swords there. The wheel. A lot of runes and symbols. Looks like an eye. I don't really see the little Lovecraft symbol. I thought they'd sneak it in somewhere. Some of them are a little small, so it's hard to see. But yeah, it's beautiful finish. Let's open it. You can see the inside. I don't know if you can tell. But the insert itself is gold. I don't think you could really tell too well, but I guess in the inside, you can see how it's brass. I'll push it down. It's a real snug fit. Like I said, these armor lighters are really nice. They're a lot heavier than the normal. I haven't put fluid in it, of course. I just opened it. But here it is. The Zippo Book of the Dead. The Necronomicon. It's funny, Lovecraft just made that up for his stories and got it from different places, but people think it's really this real book. In fact, the ones they publish, they say the Necronomicon by H.P. Lovecraft, like he really wrote it, but it was supposed to have been written by the mad Arab Abdul al-Hazred. See the beautiful detail. That antique brass. Try to get really close. And there's Riley. Cthulhu. That's the famous little line. In Riley, dead Cthulhu waits dreaming. You've heard that from me before. I hope you like this a lot. I think it's a beautiful lighter. They're a little bit expensive. I don't know if they ever release them off of the site. They might be a little cheaper. As of this video, I guess they're all out of stock. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You have a wonderful evening. Take care.